If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System, or FCW, can warn you about potential front-end collisions. FCW uses data from the front sensors, electronic brake controller, and wheel speed sensors to calculate a probable collision. When the system decides a forward collision is probable, it delivers audio and visual warnings and a possible brake jerk warning. If the driver does not take action based upon these progressive warnings, the system can provide limited braking to mitigate a forward collision. If a possible forward collision is detected while towing a trailer, the available integrated trailer brake controller will apply the trailer brakes if equipped. If a forward collision is no longer probable, the warning deactivates. Other objects, like guardrails or signposts, can trigger these warnings too, especially when driving on a curve. This is normal FCW function. Remember, FCW is not designed to avoid a collision on its own, and it can't detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. You can turn the system on or off using your touchscreen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.